If you thought the DJI Avata changed the game, you were wrong. It only set the stage. Because what we're about to unveil isn't just the next FPV drone. This is the drone that will redefine aerial cinematography, a machine so fast, so sharp, and so unbelievably safe, it makes everything else feel like a toy. Stop scrolling. Put down your current drone. We are diving deep into the most explosive, most secretive leaks surrounding the drone world right now. The DJI Avata 3.4 months, the inner circle has been buzzing. Code names, prototype photos, whispers from the factories in Shenzhen. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And today, we're putting all the pieces together to reveal the specs that DJI really doesn't want out yet. This is not a modest upgrade. This is DJI pivoting, listening to the FPV community, and delivering a true hybrid, a cinematic beast with the agility of a race drone. Let's start with the one thing every FPV pilot has begged for: weight and power. Our sources suggest the Avata 3 has been completely re-engineered around a new carbon fiber-infused frame. The rumor: a weight reduction of nearly 20% while simultaneously boosting the thrust-to-weight ratio. Imagine the instantaneous response. The insane, gravity-defying maneuvers that were impossible before. But the real magic is in the battery. Forget those frustrating 18-minute flight times. Leaks indicate the Avata 3 will launch with a completely new intelligent flight battery 3.0, pushing the flight duration past the critical 25-minute mark. That's almost 10 extra minutes of pure, unadulterated adrenaline and cinematic opportunity per charge. Think of the complex, unbroken single-take shots you can capture now. Now, let's talk about the single most critical component: the camera system. The Avata 2 brought 4K 60 frames per second. Avata 3. We are looking at a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting true, cinematic 5.4K at 60 frames per second, and crucially, a 10-bit D-Log M color profile. This isn't just drone footage anymore. This is Hollywood-grade color grading capability straight out of a sinew hoop. The clarity, the detail, the dynamic range in challenging lighting conditions, it will be unbelievable. And for all the freestyle pilots out there, the Avata 3 is rumored to feature an all-new propeller guard design. It's not just stronger, it's aerodynamically optimized for faster forward flight and less drag. This means higher top speeds and more control when you're pushing the limits. But what about the nightmare scenario? Crashing. This is FPV, it happens. The Avata 3 is reportedly implementing enhanced dual vision positioning, DVP, using a wider array of downward and forward sensors. And get this, rumors point to an emergency turtle mode plus that uses the new powerful motors to flip the drone even on slippery or uneven surfaces. DJI is giving us the power to fly faster while building a safety net that actually works. Let's talk about the user experience. The DJI Goggles 3 are rumored to debut alongside the Avata 3. The leaks suggest a quantum leap in display technology: OLED screens with 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This isn't just about sharp vision, it's about eliminating the latency,